In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find answers faster with AI in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Slack is a powerful tool for communication, and when you harness the AI capabilities within it, you can get answers quicker and streamline your workflow. So let's start with the first step. To open the AI panel, make sure Slack is running on your computer. You can easily access the AI assistant by using a global keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl-Shift-O all at once, and voila! The AI assistant panel will slide right open for you. If you're not a keyboard shortcut fan, don't worry. You can also open the AI panel using your mouse. Simply look for the dedicated AI icon, which you'll find right next to the main search bar at the top of your Slack window. Click on that and you're all set to interact with the AI. Now that you have the AI panel open, it's time to ask a question. Here's the key. When typing your question, you want to approach it just like you would if you were speaking to a human coworker. The AI is designed to respond better when you provide specific context. For example, instead of asking something vague like, "What's the status?" you could say, "What's the latest status update on the Q3 launch from last week?" This specificity helps the AI understand exactly what you need. Another great strategy is to make your questions action-oriented. You could ask the AI something like, "Find the action items mentioned in the release planning thread." This directs the AI to focus on what's most important and saves you time. Every now and then, you might not get the answer you're looking for on the first try. That's perfectly normal. The good news is that the conversation can keep going. Treat it like an ongoing dialogue. If the initial response doesn't hit the mark, feel free to refine the conversation. Add in missing details like a person's name, a specific date, or even a file reference. For instance, if you ask a question, receive a response, and realize it missed some context, you can say something like, "Can you also include details from the last team meeting that took place on March 5th?" Keeping the conversation going can lead to more accurate and helpful responses. Take your time experimenting with different types of questions and don't hesitate to rephrase or provide more context. The more you engage with the AI, the better it will understand your needs and preferences over time. And that's it. Once you start implementing these steps, you'll see how much faster and more efficiently you can find answers within Slack using AI. Remember, being specific is key. And don't hesitate to keep the conversation flowing until you arrive at the information you need. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your work life.